I'd like to take a few minutes with this video to help you understand what LeadTracker does. LeadTracker was designed to help you keep track of inquiries or leads that your company is receiving either through a third party like HomeAway or FlipKey or through your website. When a potential guest sends in a request or question, the email gets converted into a lead and displays on the dashboard of LeadTracker as an unassigned lead. When the lead is assigned to someone, it moves from the unassigned section to the assigned section. Access to the various parts of LeadTracker and its tasks, like assigning leads, is permission and rights driven, so you have control over who can perform specific actions within LeadTracker. LeadTracker can be accessed either through the Quick Access bar or by going under the Miscellaneous menu. There are 5 main sections of LeadTracker: the dashboard, lead detail, email templates, questions, and reports. The dashboard gives the person logged in a quick overview of their leads, provides a way to search or filter through their leads, and send emails if needed. The lead detail section allows you to enter a new lead manually and store the details about the person, their vacation needs, and any comments or to-do items related to the lead. This section also gives you the option of sending an email with property information and the ability to actually book a reservation. The email template section is where email templates are created and edited. This section is very important because emails cannot be generated through LeadTracker without first selecting an email template. The questions section is where the list of questions you want employees to ask potential guests are configured and edited. Right now, the reports section does not contain any information, but reports will be available in a future release. More detailed information about LeadTracker is available through one of the videos in the series. Please watch each one to gain a better understanding of this functionality. If you have questions or need help, please contact the help desk at help@vrmgr.com. Thank you.